Hello everyone, it's Marilyn here. Welcome back to my channel. Here is the Santa Christmas layout that I have for you today. I'm using this paper that I'm going to prime with gesso clear. This paper is from 49th and Market that is featuring this month in the December limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. The kit is very beautiful, pan mixed different collections from different brands, and here I am taking 2 frames from one of the laser cut sheets that comes in the kit. I took the Santa and I'm taking some of these cards too. Now the paper is dry. I'm going to start to build a leader here, how I will put all these pieces on the background, because I'm going now to use the distress texture paste with the stencil. I think it's by Vicky Boutin, and it comes in the December limited edition kit, and I am giving textures on the background, just a few of these textures. I have the photo and some of the card. For me, it's easy when I have these elements on the background. I have a better vision when I need these textures, so that is the reason that you see that I have the photo and some of the cards. I will add a leader here in this corner because I am planning to put flowers and some of the card here, and a little more on the bottom in this corner. And now I'm going to dry this using my heat tool. Once it's dry, I am taking the frame. I'm going to add a piece of cardboard in the middle just to pop up the photo, and I am using the distress oxide in black color, and I am distressing all the edges of the different laser cuts here. I am taking some of the die cuts by Bunny. Look this, how pretty is this piece, and I am distressing also all the edges. And I will start now to build my composition. I am trying to make different layers with the different laser cuts and die cuts here. And now I put it plain on the back, but later I will add 3D foam tape just to add dimension and that all these look in layers. These are the flowers that I'm using from Prima and 49th and Market. This comes in the kit, and I'm continue making here the different layers, and I'm trying to add the flowers between the pieces. In that way you can enhance I can enhance all the layers that I am building. Now I will add another flower here behind the frame, and I am putting apart the petals in one of the big flowers by Prima. It was a little bit bulky, so I am using the 2 large petals here and attach them together, and then I'm going to put it here in this corner of the photo. And I cut by half one of the leaves. In that way I have 2 small leaves that I'm going to add here in this corner. And I just love how the green pop up over all the red on the background. Here in the bottom I was planning to use this frame. You will see that I will change later, and I'm adding textures in this part here. Now I will dry it with my heat tool, and I change and I select this tag from the Bunny die cuts, but I'm going to attach this beautiful Santa from the laser cuts by Bunny. I add a piece of chipboard here behind the Santa just to build the layers. Now I will add another piece of chipboard behind the tag. It gives a nice dimension to this piece at the bottom of the page. Then I used one of the December quotes by 49th Market, and I'm going to use the rest of the flower that I removed the two large petals, and I'm going to put it behind the tags. I use other of the leaves, and I will add the small flag here. But now I take the ABC from the kit, and I'm going to use the letters to add textures on the background. I'm going to use the letter as part of the background work, and I am adhering some of the letters. Now that I'm happy how everything looks, I will attach and glue with all the pieces. But I want to add cheesecloth here. I dye this piece of cheesecloth with a green color, very similar to the leaves, and I just love the touch that this green brings over the red paper. I decided to add a piece of white cord here in the tag. It gives this lovely touch to the tag, and I will continue adhering all the pieces here. Okay, it is how it looks. I just love the combinations of different patterns and colors. Here are the mega arch stones. I want to add this with 3D gloss gel. I'm going to put some of them on the background, but these arch stones are the biggest, so I'm planning to add a few of them only. And then I want to paint it with the pearl white metallic paint by Rivera. Now I'm going to continue adhering them. Okay, I covered the photo and I'm giving white paint splatters over all these layers, and it looks awesome. I just love how all these white paints splatter looks over the red paper. It gives this nice touch. Well, my friend, I hope that you enjoy this video tutorial, and if you like this video, please bring me a thumbs up and share this video with any friends. And let me remove this. Look how lovely all this layer looks, the colors. I love this page so much. I hope that it inspired you and that you give it a try. Take a look at all the closer details. Remember that in the description box down below are the link to the kit and to my social media, and here I will let you 2 more videos that maybe you are interested. I come back soon with a new video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.